Why should you stream data with the JavaScript Fetch API? Imagine watching a movie where the scenes load one after another instead of waiting for the entire film to download. That's what streaming data with the JavaScript Fetch API allows your web app to do. Instead of waiting for a full response, your application can process data as it arrives, making everything feel faster and more responsive. This is especially helpful when dealing with large amounts of data like big JSON files, multimedia content such as videos or audio, or live data feeds like chat messages or real-time dashboards. The Fetch API is a modern way to make HTTP requests in browsers, replacing older methods like XML HTTP request. One of its coolest features is that it gives you access to the response body as a readable stream. This means you can read the data in small chunks instead of waiting for everything to download. To do this, you get a reader from the responses stream using the getReader method. This reader lets you process each piece of data as it comes in, so your app can start showing content immediately. For example, if you're loading a large JSON dataset, you can parse and display parts of it right away, instead of waiting for the entire file to load. This reduces the amount of memory your app uses and makes the loading time seem faster to users. Streaming is also great for multimedia. When streaming videos or music, data can be buffered and played smoothly while still downloading in the background. This creates a seamless experience, especially for users with slower internet connections. Real-time data feeds like live sports scores or chat messages benefit from streaming because your app can update instantly as new data arrives. This means users see fresh information without needing to refresh the page. From a developer's point of view, streaming with Fetch helps your app respond quicker and handle large data more efficiently. It also reduces server load because you don't have to wait for the entire response to be ready before sending it. Implementing streaming does require some extra care. You need to handle data chunks properly, manage errors, and agree on data formats between your server and client. But the benefits are clear. Faster data processing, better user experience, and the ability to handle large or continuous data streams make streaming with the Fetch API a must-know skill for anyone working with JavaScript in web development. In short, streaming data with the Fetch API makes your web applications more dynamic and efficient. It allows for incremental data processing, improves responsiveness, cuts down on memory use, and supports real-time updates. Mastering this technique helps you build faster, more interactive websites that users will love to use.